Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install InPixio Photo Studio 12. Now I am going to download InPixio. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Type here in Google search bar. Download InPixio. Press enter. Click on first official website link, www.inpixio.com. Click on download for PC. Now the downloading is started. It is 14.2 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Let's double click on this PC. Click downloads. Here it is our InPixio Photo Studio setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Click Yes. Let's close downloads. Welcome to InPixio. Click Next. Downloading Photo Studio. Installing Photo Studio. Now the InPixio is installed. Improved interface and navigation. Click Next. AI module grouped in one place. Click Next. Revamped and more accessible tools. Click Next. Prominently featured one-click text module. Click Next. A new photo cutout algorithm. Click Finish. Let's get started. Type here email ID. Click Submit. Stay up to date. In this demonstration video, I am choosing No Thanks. There is some AI tools like Remove Background, Replace Sky, Erase Object, Make Photo Montage, Edit Photo. Click Add Photo. Open Camera Roll. There is no picture in this folder. Go back. Open Saved Picture. No picture in this folder. Go back. Click Cancel. Now I am going to download sample image. Open web browser. Type Download Sample Image. Let's click on it. Click on Images. Let's scroll down. Now I am going to download this image. Click on this image. Let's right-click on it. Click Save Image As. I am given it name Test Image. Click on Save. Close web browser. Default selected Remove Background. Click Add Photo. Click Downloads. Select Test Image. Click Open. InPixio AI is processing your photo. As you can see, background is removed. Go back to AI Tools. Now click on Replace Sky. The module installation is in progress. Click OK. Now the module is installing. Click Replace Sky. Click Replace Sky again. As you can see, the background image is changed. Now go back. So viewers, you can install module as your according. Now close InPixio. Click Don't Save. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to download and install InPixio Photo Studio 12 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.